Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, if you haven't seen my video like 2 videos ago of me cleaning out my closet, I was going to use Poshmark. Didn't really work out. For some reason I just had a lot of people like following my page but not inquiring about the clothes, so it was a little weird. Like literally like 200 people started following my page but no inquiries except for like someone wanted to trade on a Fashion Nova thing that I had on there. So didn't really work out, and honestly I don't want to have to keep checking up on that every day, so I am going to take all the clothes down. So today, instead of doing that, I'm actually going to go out to Queens and try to sell my clothes. I'm going somewhere, I think it's called, I don't know, I'll put the name right here because I don't remember what it is at the moment. But yeah, I saw them online and they give you 30% for whatever they're going to sell. So we're going to see how that turns out. I have like 4 bags, including shoes. Sorry, it's a little dark. I have a couple of things and a couple of shoes and a bag, a Coach bag that I'll never use again. And I'm not sure if it's real, but I think it is, because I don't remember. I'm trying to remember how I got it. I don't know why I feel like it's real, so I'm gonna try. As you can see here, I have, these are the bags of clothes that I have, and some shoes. Aren't these shoes so cute? I wish I could keep them, but they're really uncomfortable, and I'm never gonna wear them, and I never wore them before, so those are gonna go along with the rest of this stuff. So I have a lot of stuff in there. There's some Jordans in there. There's a lot of stuff. So I'm hoping to get at least maybe $350 from this. So let's go, shall we? Let's go. Okay, so I just left the store. I wasn't able to record in there, but they only took 2 pairs of shoes and a skirt and a shirt, so I only got like a little less than $20 for all of it. So it's kind of a bummer, a little bit of a waste, little aggravated, but it is what it is. Mostly they wanted everything that was on trend and stuff for spring. They weren't taking summer things. Like I have these 2 really cute pair of shoes that she wouldn't take, and she said to bring them back during the summer, which I don't understand why she just couldn't take them now, but it is what it is. So now I have to find a third option. If you are selling clothes and you figured out a good way to do it, make sure you comment down below and let me know. So far, it's kind of been a bummer with Poshmark and even going into the store. So I'm thinking of either starting just my own site and selling them on there, or I'm not sure. If you have any advice or anything, make sure you comment down below, let me know, and I'll get back to you guys soon. So thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.